Hi, I'm Jane Christensen, CEO and founder of Omni Innovations. I'm here to talk about one of the questions that I get asked the most, and it really is, I know I need to do something with my skin, I just don't know what it is. And actually just starting with a very simple skin regimen and keeping it consistent and simple really is one of the best ways to start to improve your skin. You would really actually start with a great cleanser. You would add a very rich and active serum, and then you can top it off with a moisturizer or an SPF, any type of things like that. But the key thing is to really be consistent, to do it twice a day. You wouldn't think about not brushing your teeth twice a day. Well, your skin is just as important to be consistent, because if you are, you will get the results you want.
Good.